Hi, I'm John Anderson, North American Product Specialist for the 3D Disto. Another aspect of Toolkit is transferring reference heights from one location to its second location. So let's go to our File button, Applications, Toolkit. Toolkit measurements will not be stored. And then we're going to go to our height transfer reference icon. What we want to do is, at the beginning, measure a reference height to start with. So let's hit OK. Now for this demonstration, we're going to transfer the height of that wall outlet on the first wall to a new location on the second wall, pretending that we need to put in a second outlet, but we want to make sure they're at the same height. So right now we've roughly targeted in the top of that wall outlet. That's a 2-power zoom, so you can see my crosshairs is right on the top of that outlet. Let's take the first shot. Now the 3D Disto has come back and asked us roughly measure the same height on a different area or a different plane. So okay. Let's zoom out so we get a little bigger view. Now we need to drive the unit to the right because we want to transfer that height from one point to the next. And just for argument's sake, let's bump it up a few inches so that the 3D Disto has to think about it. So now we've bumped it up a couple of inches from where I think it should be. We're going to go ahead and hit the Dist button. Now the 3D Disto is now calculating and measuring. It has come down and it has put a new flashing red light on the exact same height or elevation as our reference height when we first started measuring. You'll see the distance that we've also traveled is 2 feet 5 inches as shown in the result screen.